Dariya ki kasam, maujo ki kasam, ye tana bana badlega, which means that I swear by the waves of the sea and the seashore that I will change the warp and the weft of society. Tu khud ko badal, tabhi to zamana badlega. You change yourself and only then will the world around you change. We created a lot of songs which really celebrate the power of women's collectives and talk about how the change has to begin from the self, that a woman has to realize the potential she has within her and start making those changes. And it's only when you start the change from yourself that you can hope to change the world around you. Rangsutra basically has been an attempt to generate sustainable livelihoods for rural artisans, building upon traditional skills that they already have. And I think there's a demand for such products. People are interested in knowing, about the story behind the product. Who is the person who made this product? How is her life?
दिन उगे उठते सर तो गाय मन घास दिया, पछे घास दे चाटो दिया, खल ककड़ा गाय दुए दूध चाबरा रे पिलाऊं जो पिलाऊं चा पानी करा और घर रो झाड़ू चूप कटा बिलूणो है जो बिलूणो जुगा और अब आ रहे जो है ना कसी तो 20 साल 25 साल से उर्मिल टेस्ट से जो जुड़े हैं जिन्हें कसी दे महीना ये महीना जरूर 10 रुपया से बचत हुई थी और टाबरा रे खर्चो पढ़ाई है.
The whole idea of craft and handwork is getting much more importance and respect. Everything is geared towards machinery and making things faster, quicker, larger. And I think a craftsperson, who I like to define a craftsperson as someone who works with her hands, head and heart, can play a unique role in today's economy.
मैंने ये पुठिया तो सिरबड़ी लगाऊं दे, सिरबड़ी लगा बीच में चौकड़ी करे रीतु डिजाइन बनाऊं दे, ये रीतु डिजाइन नो कसी तो बनाऊं दे और टाको तार वाई तार सीधी लकीर सुई निकाले हुए मैंने बनाऊं दे. आपरे मन से तो बनायो न आप ये हर एक डिजाइन आपरे मन से बनाई है, सिखायो ऐसा कोई को नहीं.
Their income has helped them to send their children, especially their daughters, to school. Everyone is really an owner in the company and understands both, the responsibilities of ensuring that we make good products that sell in the market, and they also have a right to the profits when we make profits.